Pros and Cons of Sexual Reproduction by yours truly. So, advantages of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction consists of combining the male and female gametes, if that's how you say that right, through fertilization. Gametes are the sexual cells such as the male's sperm and the female's egg. With sexual reproduction, the offspring obtain half of the female genes and half of the male genes. The species can adapt to environmental changes, which gives a survival advantage. A specific example where sexual reproduction has been beneficial. So an example of sexual reproduction being beneficial is the fact that half of the male chromosome and half of the female's chromosome are given to create an offspring. This way of reproducing can benefit a species by purging off mutations and giving the species an opportunity to thrive and overcome mutations and obstacles. As for asexual reproduction, the offspring is a copy or a clone of the individual, and thus negative mutations can linger and become harmful to the species. Disadvantages of sexual reproduction. So, finding a mate takes time and energy. It is not possible for a single individual to reproduce. The number of offspring is significantly reduced, considering it takes months for a pregnancy to fully develop, depending on the species. Outside influences can determine offspring viability, meaning if a mom consumes alcohol or smokes while pregnant, the offspring can develop physical or mental disabilities that would alter their entire life. Sexually transmitted diseases, or STDs, have a profound impact on reproductive health. For example, women infected with syphilis during pregnancy results in adverse outcomes such as newborn deaths and stillbirths. Sexual reproduction is not guaranteed. So some couples struggle to conceive offspring. Even if they do everything absolutely right, they may have an infertile partner or something wrong. 1 in 8 couples struggle to get pregnant or carry a pregnancy to full term. And I went ahead and included a photo of myself carrying my very first surrogate baby. Her name is Diane, and she is about 2.5 years old now. A specific example where sexual reproduction has been detrimental. So a specific example is someone with Gaucher disease. I believe that's how you say it, maybe. Gaucher disease is buildup of certain fatty substances in organs, specifically your spleen and liver, but also it can occur in bone tissue, weakening the bone and causing the organs to enlarge. So someone who has a partner who is a carrier will have their offspring with a 50-50 chance in having the condition passed along. If 2 people who are carriers have children, then there is a 25% risk of this health issue occurring. Anyone can have this disorder, but people with Ashkenazi, Jewish, Eastern European ancestry are more likely to have it. Of the descendants, nearly 1 in 450 people have the disorder, and 1 in 10 carry the gene that causes Gaucher disease. Here are my sources with some gorgeous wolves. And then that was my presentation. Thank you so much. Take care, guys.